morning, everybody. It's Paul Berdiner of RE Patriots and Lancaster County Realtor.com. Hey, happy Monday. This morning I want to take a little bit of time to talk about interest rates and what that means from a buyer's perspective. Interest rates, we've all heard and we all know that interest rates are at all-time lows. I've been seeing rates at 3.5% to 3.75%. Phenomenal rates. As we look at where the housing market is and where I believe the housing market is heading, we've been seeing an increase in home sales. I think it's inevitable once we start to see that increase in home sales that interest rates are going to tick up a little bit. Right now, with rates being 3.75 on a conventional loan, 0 points, the slightest uptick in interest rate obviously is going to mean an increase in your payment. So on a interest rate increase of 0.25%, just 0.25%, what that means for you on, let's say, a $200,000 loan is about $30 a month increase, just 0.25%. Let's take a look at that over the life of the loan. 30 years, that's $42,000 over the life of that loan. So why I'm bringing this up is while we're out showing houses to buyers, or whether I'm having conversation with people at an open house, a lot of people are saying, maybe I just don't think the market has reached its bottom. So let's take that $200,000 house. If the market decreases or depreciates another 3%, okay, that $200,000 house is now worth $194,000. That's a $6,000 savings to you. So, if 1 year from now that house, again, 3% and $6,000 cheaper, if the interest rates have ticked up during that time frame, which I do believe they will, 0.25%, so up to a full percent, we just went from an interest rate at 3.75 to 4.75. Still a good rate, but what that means for you in your monthly payment is $117 a month. Over the life of the loan, it's $42,000. So we just waited and saved ourselves $6,000 up front in the purchase price. Interest rates ticked up, and we just now spent $42,000 over the life of the loan, or $117 a month. So big savings. I do think now is the most opportune time to buy. We've kind of reached the bottom here in the housing market. Sales have been picking up, and I can only say that, or believe that after we see the sales numbers starting to rise, that interest rates are going to go right with it. So hope that's helpful as you're out there looking at houses. Thanks for tuning in. Again, Paul Berdiner with RE Patriots at Lancaster County Realtor.com. Thanks.